Hey guys, it is Tool Guy Y here, and it is the weekend, and I'm still trying to stay home during this coronavirus thing. But today, I'm gonna stay home and stay busy, so I am going to clean out my toolbox at home and organize it. So, if you want to take a look at my toolbox, it's super messy, sockets everywhere. I've been meaning to actually fill up my socket trays, but I haven't done that yet. And it's time to actually get rid of the old toolbox liners and put in some new ones. So today we're going to be installing Olsa toolbox liners in the toolbox. We're going to get rid of the old one, put the new ones in. And Olsa Tools was actually kind enough to send me this to do a review on it. So Olsa Tools sent the 16 inches by 16 feet long toolbox liner, and they do come in three sizes. It comes in 16 inches by 9.5 feet, 16 inches by 16 feet, and 16 inches by 24 feet. So depending on how big your toolbox is, you can go with whatever size you want. And for the most part, the prices run about, I think, about $20 to about 30 something, 35 I believe, depending on what size you get. So compared to other toolbox liners, there are actually a lot. Over here I do have the Husky, and I do have, I believe this might be the Craftsman one, but their prices all are around the same. It's average, so it's actually not like a giant leap of price because of a different brand. It's actually a really reasonable and pretty decent price for the amount you're getting. If you can look at it, I mean, 16 inches wide and 16 feet long, so that's a lot of toolbox liner that you can you can do with that and put it inside your toolbox. Alright, so let's just take a look at it real quick. This is the 16 foot. Alright, so I've been doing a lot of research on it, and a lot of people have been interested in this. It is a multi-purpose liner, so you can use it for toolboxes, cabinets. I've even read a review where a guy used it for his dashboard. He put it on his dashboard so that things don't fall off when he's driving. It is thick too. It is 3 millimeters thick and made of foam, PVC foam, and it also does look like it is fiber reinforced. So that allows it to take more damage without ripping. It allows it provides more strength for you and your tools, and more protection. It's easily adjustable, so you can actually cut it really easy. All you have to do is measure, cut, and later on in this video I'm going to be doing one drawer, so I'm going to measure, cut, and whatnot. I'll speed it up so you don't have to watch the whole thing, but it is actually very easy to do. And also, I've been reading a lot of reviews where people actually spray the back with adhesive, and it sticks very well. I've done that with a couple drawers of mine, and I can attest to that. It does stick very well. Only thing is, if you glue it, you can't take it off. If you need to readjust, you can't take it off. But overall, this is a really nice liner, really thick, really strong. So yeah, let's get into cutting and placing in my drawers. Alright guys, so it's the moment you've all been waiting for. We are going to open the toolbox liner. Just be careful if you use a knife to open it, because you may actually cut the liner itself, so just be careful with that. Alright, 16 feet, that is a lot of feet. Ooh. Alright, so because I already have it toolbox liners in my box, I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna cut the size. So let's see how we do. Alright, so like I said, it was very easy to cut, and what that does, fits perfectly in there. Maybe not perfect, but close enough. Alright, so this is the finished product. Still in the works of cleaning and organizing, so this is all I got, but it really gives it a nice clean look. I do enjoy the feel, like I said before, and I enjoy the look, and I enjoy the grippiness. So there you go. Alright guys, so that is my little take and review on the Olsa Tools toolbox liners. I will actually be putting a little link in the description for you guys so that you guys can check it out if you guys are interested in it. I believe the link's going to be on Amazon with 3 different sizes, so definitely check that out if you're looking into toolbox liners. If you guys aren't familiar with Olsa Tools, definitely check them out as well. They're a really great company, really nice people, and fun to work with. And their customer service is really great. So definitely check them out if you're not familiar with them. If you guys like what you see, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming out with a lot more how-to videos and tool review videos. So please, if you guys like what you see, subscribe and stay tuned. Also, if you guys like what you see, check out my Instagram, ToolGuyY. And I do post daily on that, so I do post more reviews, not in depth, but you know, more reviews on there, and different tools and different jobs that I'm working on. I'm also in the process of making a couple how-to videos today, so stay tuned with that. But thank you again for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. Cheers.